Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Super Bowl, Snowstorm. What you need to know about the snow hitting New England today for Sunday. A snowstorm is bearing down on Massachusetts that could make travel hazardous Sunday afternoon and evening, just in time to inconvenience anyone headed to the Super Bowl parties that health experts have advised against. A winter storm warning is in effect for parts of Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Maine through early Monday morning. The Massachusetts Department of Transportation, Mass DOT, is advising the public to use caution if traveling Sunday, given the forecast of a wintry mix of snow and rain across the Commonwealth and throughout the day. Snowfall could be heavy at times, especially across eastern areas. Snowfall is expected to end late this evening. Given that Mass DOT Highway Administrator Jonathan joined us to discuss road preparation ahead of the storm, including pre-treatments in a few select areas. He said they started over the past 24 hours as part of a prevention to make sure there is no icing at the beginning of the storm. He also said they would bring crews in as needed as the storm heats up. It's good news and bad news on the timing, he said. He said all in all, they feel well prepared for this storm, and that Monday morning will look pretty good on the roads. The storm will be a classic wintry mix for much of Massachusetts, and travelers may encounter variable conditions on their trip, he said. Motorists should reduce speeds, buckle up, and avoid traveling during these peak periods as much as possible. Sunday morning was quiet, but snow quickly picked up in intensity around brunch time, and it will continue through the afternoon, eventually tapering off between dinner time and bedtime. The forecast says and shows that southeastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut are due for the heaviest snowfall. Several central and southern Massachusetts cities and towns issued snow emergencies ahead of the storm, though Boston was not among them. The state's next largest city, Worcester, did announce a parking ban beginning at 11 a.m. Sunday, with no parking allowed on either side of primary arteries, bus routes, and roads downtown. Parking will be limited to just the odd-numbered side of the streets. Elsewhere in the city's public parking garages will be open for free for the duration of the ban. Parking bans have also been announced for Brockton, Dartmouth, Fitchburg, and New Bedford and Randolph, beginning as early as 6 a.m. Sunday in New Bedford. In Wareham, Police Lieutenant Walter said he was confident that public safety agencies are prepared to handle the impending storm. The lieutenant also talked specifically about the importance of people not traveling with snow on the roof of their vehicles, which he said a lot of people do. It creates a problem, he said. We recommend everybody clean off the snow before they leave their driveway. Very important to do so. We can also tell you in New Hampshire there is a law called Jessica's Law to clean your snow and ice off your vehicle, or you will get stopped and get a fine or a warning. The lieutenant also strongly advise that people adhere to parking ban restrictions in place and avoid leaving any vehicles in possible paths of a plow truck. Brockton Mayor Robert Sullivan on Saturday declared a snow emergency starting at 8 a.m. Sunday, meaning there is no parking allowed on any city streets. Several lots in garages have been identified as off-street parking alternatives. For some, however, the game is easily the most important event of the day, as shoppers flocked to grocery stores Saturday to get their game day meal ingredients. But public health officials are urging people not to gather for big Super Bowl watch parties this year because of the coronavirus pandemic. Metrics are declining from a surge that peaked around the new year, and Dr. Sabrina said that to keep the trend going, people must continue to follow safety measures on Super Bowl Sunday and beyond. And that does it for this afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for joining us. Have a great rest of your afternoon. I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.